Hey everybody, my name is Nicholas Kurganski. I work for Next In Line and I'm going to show you around the Next In Line admin interface. I'm going to show you how to register an organization and post an appointment. First, go ahead and hit sign up. Enter in the email address associated with the business, the phone number, date of birth, the first and last name of the administrator. Profile image is optional. Then enter in a password and hit sign up. Once signed up and logged in, click the profile image in the upper right hand corner and select administration. This is your main admin dashboard. All new reserved appointments will show up here. You can see how many spots have been posted and been reserved, and all of the lines associated with this organization. Click Register Organization next. Here you will put in the name of your organization, a description of what your business does, and any tags you wish. If users search for these terms, your organization will show up. Next is the subdomain, which will show up in the URL before yournextinline.com. You can choose any subdomain you want. After that, enter in your address, including any suite or unit numbers, the city, state, and zip code. This title color will be the color of your organization name on your page. You can pick any color you wish, and I'm going to pick orange for this demo. You can then upload a logo if you have one and a picture for the background, which will go behind your organization's name. Then press submit to finalize the registration. This is your main administration page. Up here is a billing tab which will show you the spots reserved in the current and previous months. This URL will take you to your site page if you want to see how it looks. This is where you will create different lines within your organization. I'm going to create one and walk you through it. You can name the line. I'm calling this one Demo. You can then tag this specific line and add a description for what that line does. Mine is a scheduling demonstration. Here you can select your organization's office hours, which are the hours you are open. Once complete, go ahead and hit submit. It will tell you up here that the line was successfully created. As an administrator, you can opt to receive text or email alerts when a user reserves a spot. I will receive emails for this line and I will show you what that looks like. Over here is where you will create a spot for this line. Press the plus sign and it will take you to this page. You can name this spot to differentiate it from other spots. Then select the starting date and time and the ending date and time for that spot. Once finished, press submit. You can see this spot was posted here. If you click on the spot, it tells you it is currently not reserved. I'll show you the difference, but once reserved, the user's contact information and date of birth will be listed here. If you go back to your organization's admin page and click on the URL, this is what your page will look like. This is the orange color I chose. Your logo will show up here. If you have multiple lines, you can click between them, but I just have one here now. This is where your description, tags, and map will appear. This is the default view, which is a calendar view. If you don't like that view, you can go back to the admin section and change it to a timeline. This is what the timeline looks like, and it is easier to see all of the spots you have posted. This is what the email notification will look like when a user reserves a spot. It tells you the spot name and the time of that spot. If you go ahead back into your admin dashboard, you now see that someone has reserved the spot, and you will see their name, date of birth, and contact information. You can click on the reservation if you want to look at it specifically. If you don't want to see the reservation anymore, hit Archive and it will now be archived and invisible. Click Show Archive to see it again, and you can toggle between the two options.